here we have the start of a homemade pinwheel, because these are hard to find. Alright, well, pinwheels seem to have disappeared. They're going extinct. And because of that, I now have to make my own pinwheel with the help of CipherCraft. It's not quite what I planned, but I would have rather used a metal post. I guess it worked out though, because we managed to find one pinwheel, which we will tack onto the back before we set up all of the fireworks on the old bicycle wheel here. You see, this is a pinwheel right here, a consumer grade pinwheel. And they usually come with a pathetic little nail that does not do the job. You need something better than this stupid thing to secure this properly to your post. This is a proper nail. This right here, it's a proper nail. It's metal, it has a full, nice, large head that definitely will not go through. It's a little longer than the one provided. It could be longer still, but this should be good. Usually people would put these up on their fence posts back when people had yards. I like to make something like this. I used to hang them up on my old swing set, take the swings off. Yeah, this is gonna go somewhere like right there. And we'll do a video for you guys. You'll see on Cypher's channel of this beauty, this absolute beauty going off. And this will hopefully be even more beautiful. I know I really should have filmed the creation of this thing, but I didn't. So first I started out with this, I think it's a 2x6. I didn't measure it. I just found whatever wood I could find that was wide enough. I cut the board in half, and then I had CipherCraft trace the plywood sheets here using the 2 pieces of wood. They are wood glued together and also have screws holding them together, of course, because just wood glue is not enough. And we have this nice solid wood base. Now the bucket is mounted to that base. It is connected. If I pick up the post, I pick up the bucket and the base all together. There is not a hole at the bottom of the bucket. No, we just cut out a circle here of plywood, same scrap sheet that the other plywood came from, and plopped it in there. So we have a nice wood to plastic to wood connection. Some nice long screws going all the way through there from the bottom and from the top. And then the post is connected with a large nail similar to these right here, as well as a couple screws. Now these ones that I put on this 4x4, I obviously put them there before the post was set in, because though not impossible with some nifty attachments, that would be kind of difficult and annoying to do. Now the purpose of them is to hook into the concrete that I plan to pour into the bucket later. Okay, this is cut off because even if I had drilled a wide hole, I couldn't have gotten a wrench on these nuts right here. No, I don't have a socket that deep right now. I can't go out and buy one. I spent all the money on the hardware, the new hardware here, that hold this old bicycle wheel to the post. Well, I got started on piling some rocks in there for now. Now there was one pinwheel in particular that I really fell in love with. it was much larger than this, and I mean, it was about the size of a stop sign, and it went on and on. It had so many different effects. It was just amazing and hypnotic, so. Bring back pinwheels! A little further. That should do it. Now, make sure to leave some space between the wood and anything connected to your pinwheel. Here's just in the background still. Now this is what a pinwheel is supposed to do.
Was up here, we would want another one down here to ignite, right?
Yeah.
So what we could do is we could have one fuse, yeah, like you light a fuse on the bottom that goes this way,
yeah,
and I'll light a fuse that goes this way on up top.
Yeah.
So everything is just flipped over and it's symmetric.
Well, it all has to face the same direction
Yes.
for the first round.
Yes.
And then on the back, we have it reverse direction. That's something else, the first pinwheel that I saw that I got to light off too, which was bigger than this. It reversed direction several times.
Yeah.
It had so many effects and it kept changing. So,
yeah.
Yeah, because now there's enough room with all these spacers and bushings, all of that. There's enough room to have fireworks on the back without them touching the post. I don't know that the cones would fit though. So the second round would probably have to be without the cones.
Yeah.
Unless we're kind of clever with the placement.
Yeah.
Time for concrete. Okay, the humidity is so high that I'll be doing this in the fall. And after all my struggle and the work off camera, I ended up with a bucket fuller than I wanted to and used the whole 60-pound bag. This is what I get for being ill-prepared. Alright, concrete has had some time to set. It is time to add some fireworks to this bicycle wheel. Disclaimer, do not try this at home. We didn't have time to time the fountains and other fireworks, and we kind of just slapped this together in a hurry, so it's very, it's bad. The weight distribution is terrible. We'll have to see how this works. Let me try giving it a spin by hand. Maybe? Maybe. It looks so lopsided. Oh, this should truly be a chaos wheel. Aww. Oh. This one has a rocket on it. Okay, so this definitely did not work. This is not a pinwheel. We got a good couple of spins, but it is cool though, but it's not a pinwheel. You know what this is? This is a firework sprinkler. That's what this is. So here is a side-by-side comparison of the consumer pinwheel and our fire sprinkler. Now, this probably would have gone better if Cypher and I had intentionally set it up to light 2 rockets and sets of fountains at the same time, but we didn't. And it's because I wanted it to last longer. I mean, as you'll see here, it lasted 4 times what the consumer pinwheel did, so there's that. So some fuse prematurely lit, and because we did try to reverse direction on the back of the wheel, it contributed to the rocking motion because the jets are just going the wrong way. I'm sorry it did not go as planned, but it's still fun, right? Now, I'm not a fireworks channel, though I will have the occasional video with CipherCraft. This is gonna be more of a maker, builder, art channel with hopefully at some point some animation. And I'm not exactly prepared to make a whole bunch of videos right now, but I will hopefully have more in the not too distant future. The next one will probably be another tiny critter video, or maybe it'll be an artist block video where I do a drawing using my artist block game that nobody wanted. If you like firework videos, then you should go over to CipherCraft's channel, link in the description. Although I'm decently sure most of you are here because you're already subscribed to CipherCraft and you followed his link over to my channel because I'm just a nobody.